2017 was by far the best year of my life. And I know a lot of people are like saying, well, a lot of people are upset about 2017, and then other people, it seems like they're saying it was the best year of their life as though to convince them that it wasn't that bad. But for me, it really was the best year of my life. Jesse and I got married, we traveled all over the country, and we went to Canada for a honeymoon. My company grew leaps and bounds over the year. I got some exciting new clients and opportunities. It's been an awesome year. So it's starting to make me think, what do I want for 2018? What do I want for this year? Let me preface this by saying I know I made a goals video a couple weeks ago. This is sort of bigger than that and at the same time more specific, and I dive into a little bit of detail. But also, the same thing is true where, like I said, 2017 was incredible, and I married Jesse, and a whole bunch of awesome things happened in my personal life. And I don't make goals about those sort of things. And when I do, I definitely don't share them on my YouTube channel. And so while 2017 was fantastic for a lot of personal reasons and professional reasons, but a lot of personal reasons, as I talk about what I want 2018 to look like, there will be no discussion of anything personal because, again, I don't make goals, and when I do, I'm not gonna put them on YouTube. First goal is about Boom's revenue, and I mentioned this in the video a couple weeks ago, and I felt sort of weird, and I feel sort of weird like saying a number for how much money I'd like to make because it's somewhat awkward and personal, but I feel like if I'm gonna make these videos about what the channel's going to do and about what my company is doing over the next year, it's an important part of that. And so I would like to see Boom hit $150,000 in revenue. And that's a lot of money. That is a lot of money. And for a video production company, it's not a whole lot of money. But with that amount of money, I'd be able to continue to upgrade my gear at the pace that I'd like to, and to hire other people when I need to, and really open up the capabilities of what I want to do. Now on this YouTube channel, I said this before, I want to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year, and that's a bold goal because currently I'm at 174 as of recording this video. There's a long way to go, and there's not a ton of momentum leading into that, but that's the goal. That's what I'm aiming for. And a part of that, I want to hit 100,000 views. And currently my channel is over 10 years old now, and in that 10 years I have gotten to 49,000 views. So I'd like to double all the views for my last 10 years in 2018. So I think it's possible because I'm dedicated to it more than I have been before, but at the same time, it is still a bold goal. So that's there, as well as to make that happen, my goal is to upload 3 times a week. I'd like to start doing more tutorials and reviews along with the vlogs, along with some more planned stories and things like that, which brings me to the next goal. All my video goals, when it comes down to revenue, subscribers, view count, anything like that, and an upload pace, I really want to get better at telling stories. And not only telling stories, but finding stories where they already exist and creating stories where they don't. And that, as I look back at my videos, that's the big weakness that I continue to see, is that the stories are weak, and the only way to get better at it is to practice and to do repetition. And so as I go for more subscribers and views and money and stuff like that, it's all to serve this main goal of I want to get better at telling stories. And with better storytelling comes better cinematography, better editing, better shooting, better audio. Everything has to get better to tell the story better. And so it's this pursuit of elite storytelling that has me wanting to advance incrementally throughout the year. So a big part of that is gonna be shooting every day and trying to shoot something every day, even if it's just on my phone. Before I go to bed, I wanna shoot something, find something, and maybe work on a little story to just force myself to improve. And as an extension of that, I'd like to sell some of that footage and to get in a habit of uploading stock footage every other week. I think with everything that I'll be capturing, I'd be a fool not to compile some of that footage and put it in a place where it can hopefully earn some slow, tiny, passive revenue, but revenue. And this last goal that I'm putting out there is the only like personal one, and I feel awkward saying this because it's weird and a lot of people look at me and they're like, hey Sean, you're in perfect shape and you're fantastic looking and you have your life perfectly together. What could you possibly improve about yourself? And for me, that is my weight. I would love to weigh, I feel like for my height and for the things I like to do, if I get back to 148 pounds, that's where I want to be. And right now, as of this morning, I am 157.8 pounds. So I have 0.2 pounds less than 10 pounds to go. So this is gonna be an ongoing thing, and I did a good job last year with some discipline. The holidays didn't help with anything, nor did really the last half of 2017 in general. So with a little bit more discipline, I intend to get back to where I want to be this year. Before I can really start on all my 2018 goals, I need to finish up 2017. And there's two things that I sort of need you, and I'm asking you for your help with, or your patience with, I guess. But the first one is, I have a ton of Bathtub Tuna t-shirts. Bathtub Tuna, never take another lonely shower. Information about Bathtub Tuna is available at bathtubtuna.com and at youtube.com/bathtubtuna. But I want to sell these shirts. I want to get them out of my office and earn back some of the money we spent ordering these. And so to make that happen, decided they were available for like 12 bucks on our website plus shipping and handling, and they ended up being like 18 bucks. If you want to buy one of these, PayPal me 10 bucks with your address, and that'll include shipping and everything, and I'll send you whatever size. Tell me what size you want and your address, and I'll get it shipped to you for 10 bucks. PayPal to Sean at bathtubtuna.com. And lastly, before I can really work on 2018, I need to finish up all my projects from 2017. And so I've been sort of antsy, and I've been excited about making these videos and the Florida trip, and I want to plan these things. But the responsible thing to do is to spend this next week just finishing these projects, which is going to be like straight, boring, all-day editing of some really, really uninteresting things. And so with that, I'm saying I'm gonna be gone for a couple days. There won't be anything uploaded to YouTube for a couple days, but hopefully once I finish these things this week, next week we'll hit the ground running with cool videos and stuff like that. If you have goals, especially goals relating to video, like if you want to be creating more videos or starting a YouTube channel or vlogging or doing videos for your company or anything like that, I'd love to hear your video goals for 2018. Throw them in the comments. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good year.